If you're thinking about getting WECREAT Tech, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know before making your decision. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing some exclusive tips to help you make the most out of your WECREAT Tech purchase. Now, before we dive into those 7 points, if you're considering trying it out, make sure to click the first link in the description. You'll get access to the best offer and a completely free trial of WECREAT Tech. It's an offer you won't want to miss. Let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to know about WECREAT Tech is its user-friendly interface. Unlike some of its competitors, which can be overwhelming with their complex features, WECREAT Tech is intuitive and easy to navigate. If you're new to tech solutions, this could be a game changer. I've used it myself, and trust me, the setup is smooth and the learning curve isn't steep, even if you're not tech savvy. You can start using the product right away without wasting time on tutorials or customer support calls. Next thing, let's talk about the features. WECREAT Tech packs a punch in terms of functionality. Compared to similar platforms like TechFlow or Create Pro, WECREAT Tech offers more comprehensive tools at a more affordable price point. The software includes advanced analytics, team collaboration features, and customizable workflows, things you won't find at this price with its competitors. Whether you're working alone or with a team, the ability to customize the software to your needs is something that sets WECREAT Tech apart. The third thing you need to know is about integration. WECREAT Tech integrates seamlessly with major apps and platforms, including Google Workspace, Slack, and Trello. If you're already using these tools, you'll appreciate how easy it is to sync everything up. This eliminates the usual back and forth between platforms that you might experience with alternatives like InnovateX Arce, which often requires third-party plugins or manual imports. WECREAT Tech, however, takes care of the heavy lifting for you. The fourth thing to consider is security. In today's digital world, security is a huge concern, and WECREAT Tech does not disappoint. With a 2-factor authentication, encryption, and secure cloud storage, your data is well protected. Unlike some competitors, which have had issues with security breaches in the past, WECREAT Tech has a solid reputation for keeping your information safe. Now, the 5th point is all about customer support. WECREAT Tech offers 24/7 customer service with a knowledgeable team ready to assist you. This is crucial, especially when you're dealing with a tool that could be the backbone of your operation. Many other platforms have support teams that can be slow to respond, but WECREAT Tech's team is always quick, friendly, and professional. The 6th thing you should know is about their pricing structure. When you compare WECREAT Tech to competitors like Smart Tech Solutions, you'll see that it offers better value for the features you get. Most other platforms have hidden fees or complicated pricing tiers, but with WECREAT Tech, the pricing is transparent and there are no surprise charges. You'll know exactly what you're paying for from day one. The 7th and final thing to know is how scalable the product is. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, WECREAT Tech grows with you. It's designed to handle increasing workloads without slowing down or losing efficiency. This scalability is one of the reasons it stands out in a crowded market. Many competitors start strong but struggle to keep up as your business grows. But WECREAT Tech will remain reliable and responsive as you scale. If you're still on the fence about trying WECREAT Tech, remember, you can test it out completely free through the link in the description. The first link gives you access to an exclusive offer and a free trial, so you can experience all these benefits without any commitment. Don't miss out on this opportunity. So, if you're ready to try WECREAT Tech Ltd, click the first link in the description to get your best free trial and exclusive benefits. You'll see for yourself why WECREAT Tech is one of the top choices in its class.